What's going on, fellas? Chris Richard here from my YouTube channel and my Instagram. And today I'm about to review of the snow blizzard we have yesterday. Last night was pretty unrespectful. Yeah. Here in Illinois, we have a lot of snow here in our collections here. Trust me, we have about 18 inches of snow. It is so ridiculous, and it's like, and it is going to snow again tonight. Again, yes. I don't know why, but I guess the groundhog is full of crap, if you want to say it like that way. Never trust the groundhog. Well, so far the groundhog is telling the truth. 6 more weeks till winter. 6 more weeks till winter. Here, let me put you a view on screen. This is a snow. What we got? All right. This is the 18 inches of snow, and that's how deep it is. Okay. I can't even get to my garage. Me and my family decided to shovel this whole freaking driveway from here towards here and towards, well, thank goodness I moved my garbage cans over here. I was having my garbage cans over there, but no, there's no heck I can't get to it. I mean, look how deep it is. Okay, put my foot down. Oh, God almighty. Yeah, I think we have enough snow for just enough for today. But for the love of God, stop snowing. But yeah, it's so crazy here. But my pool is overflowing with a lot of snow. I cannot get to it right now because it's too buried. Really buried it is. There we go. Yeah, so that's how it is, because for one, it is pretty messed up on that, because we have a lot of snow, and I don't know what everybody else is getting snow to. I have no idea. Let me dust the snow off. There we go. I don't know how many people are getting snow, but I heard that Texas has got some snow. That's the very first time. Mexico got snow, and I think Hawaii got a little bit of snow. You know, not too much, but like a dust or whatever. But over here, it's not even inspected. I mean, yeah, today's forecast clear and sunny, blue sky. My watch saying is 18, 20 degrees. Yeah, perfect. I don't know, maybe it is a perfect day to go sledding. I don't know, but yeah, it is pretty something, a little crazy. There is. I'm Chris Richard. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. And if you have a comment, please down below. And don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks, and please be safe. Thank you.